another piece in the day of the life of an instructional coach. Again, I'm making up for yesterday's, for the afternoon yesterday, because I didn't get to everything all in one day. So I had a meeting yesterday afternoon with a team leader. I've been asked by an administrator to work with a team on some upcoming projects about data and things like that. So before I took on a new project with the entire team, I wanted to first meet with the team leader. So share kind of the vision for what I was planning on rolling out, and getting the teacher's feedback on how she thinks the team is going to receive that information and what adjustments we need to make. So it's really important to take into account meeting with those team leaders and not ever just going in with my vision and that's the only thing that I do. It was a good thing I did, because when I went in and shared the information, and I've done a TikTok before about the process that I was using with that teacher around looking at student data and having an analysis of student work, I walked away thinking I need to change my approach a little bit, and based off of what I know from Daniel Pink's book, Drive, about what adults need for motivation. So taking a little bit of a different approach, need to make sure that I am including the teachers in this and giving them some choice, and more choice than I was already planning to do. So just making a small adjustment, but it was a good meeting with that team leader yesterday.